Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be opening up some merch that we purchased from Shopdisney. We have our box here. This was just delivered today. So without any further ado, Disney tissue paper. Did you guess what it was going to be? So you're seeing it with me in person at the same time. Oh my lord, I love this color. If you haven't guessed by now, this is a Loungefly, and this is the newest 50th anniversary bag that they released. It is canvas. It is beautiful. Oh my goodness, I love this. This is a first canvas one I've ever had. It looks slightly larger than the other ones. Well, the other ones have that round shape. This one's more of just a rectangle. So it's a very pretty royal blue. There's actually nothing on the back. Blue Disney Parks Loungefly plaque on the front. But all over the front and sides are park icons. We've got Space Mountain. Oh, there's a 50. The Millennium Falcon, Tower of Terror, Cinderella's Castle. Oh, there's a Mickey. Brandon says these icons are the same as those expensive pin sets that are available. These icons are embroidered on the bag. All the hardware is gold Loungefly zipper hardware. Now this does not have the padded straps like we'll call them the normal Loungeflies do. These are canvas like the rest of the bag, and it's not padded at all. But gold adjustable buckles on the straps. And in the top there's actually two straps, so you could, if you wanted to, carry it like this. There is a zipper on the front right here. Oh goodness, that's a cute print on the inside. I don't think I've ever actually seen a picture of the inside print of this. Hold please. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. The print on the inside is basically the icons from the outside, but there's more and they're smaller, and it is all over print on the inside. On the outside there's no side pockets, but on the inside there's a back zipper, and in the front of it there is a pocket as well. That's so pretty. I love it. So this one looks like it will hold a good amount of stuff. In the Loungeflies I normally carry, the cupcakes are just slightly bigger than the normal, like these guys up here. I usually have my standard wallet, wipes, and like a little bag of toiletry type things. And I can usually fit 2 extra bottles of water for a park day in those. This, I may be able to fit all my stuff plus, I don't know, maybe like 3 or 4 extra bottles of water. This is a really good size. I love it. I'll have to wear something to work tomorrow that will match so I can wear it. Or not, and just wear it anyway. I saw it and I was like, hashtag needed it. I saw it on Instagram a while back, maybe a couple months. But for some reason, Instagram said it was available on Shopdisney UK. And I was like, well, okay, I guess I'll just patiently wait until it's available here. And then I saw a social media said it was available at Walt Disney World. And I was like, well, shucks. I'm not going to be going down for at least a month. But then, like 2 days later, it was on Shopdisney. But then, what I was going to end up having, probably buyer's remorse, maybe, because I was like, oh, well, if I just wait, get my AP discount when we go in like a month. But then my lovely husband saw on the Disney food blog, they did an article for this item, and it was $10 more in the parks than online. Well, I was like, okay, well, I'm just gonna get it online then, because I won't really be saving that much with that price difference. So when I finally decided to buy it online, it was sold out. Just my luck. But I was stalking Shopdisney, and I believe the next morning it was available. So I was able to get it. Have you gotten any of the Walt Disney World 50th anniversary Loungeflies? Let me know in the comments below. Do you collect Loungeflies at all? What are your favorite ones? Do you collect mini backpacks? Any of the other brands that are sort of popular now? Let me know in the comments below. And until next time, remember, no games. Dun, 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 dun. This is our opening the box music.
No cakes!